Peace Saturday. Si Jan at si Kuya nag-golf. Mga 7 o'clock sila umalis or 7:30. Time is 8:34 and tingnan nyo yung weather sa labas. Ayan, umuulan. And may nakikita akong rainbow. Nasaan na? Nawala na. Ayun. Ayun. Oh, yung mali. Pataas. Ayun. Kita nyo ba? Ayan, ang ganda. Oh. So, umuulan. Yan yung ating buhok. Tingnan nyo naman. Ang volume niya, tingnan. Oh. Okay, so higa-higa muna ako dito kasi hindi pa naman tayo makakapaglakad kasi nga umuulan. Lumalakas yung ulan. Nabuksan ko na kaya itong ating... Ayan, hindi makita pero umuulan. Alam kong naririnig niyo ba't yung umuulan. Ayan, na-makeup ko na yung bed. Yung ulan, hindi pa rin tumitigil. Mas lalo siyang lumalakas. And yung dalawa, hindi pa rin sila bumabangon. Hoy.
Morning.
Morning. Kagising na lang. Anong oras na? Dito lang ako sa mag-edit na lang ako. 10 o'clock. 10 o'clock. Mag-edit na lang ako. Kasi walay pa. May ulan pa.
I'm going now.
Where you
Do
go?
I open the blinds?
Huh? Yeah, you can open the blinds. Hoy, slow down. Binuksan ko yan, diba? Pero sinara ko ulit para wala lang kasi masilaw. Check your wound. Let me see. Uy. Dumudugo. It's bleeding. No, there's
No,
blood.
because I banged it last night.
Oh my God, Saki boy. Tingnan yung mga hinubad ng aking boys. Kalalaba lang natin, di ba? May labahan na naman. Saki, forget the curtain, Sak.
What curtain?
This one. Thank you, my son. Cold, Sak. I can feel the breeze from here.
Okay.
Oh my God, ang holy girl natin. Naglamaw ko sa Bicol. Ah. Tingnan siya.
Unforgettable daisy juice bikinis on top. Young kids so hot will melt your icy paw. Oh, 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 oh. It's so hot will make your icy paw. Oh, 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 oh. Can't wait for this for unforgettable daisy juice bikinis on top. Sun kiss skin so hot will melt your icy paw. Oh, 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 sun kiss.
So, nakabihis na ako para sa aking paglalakad. Ready na tayo. Pero yung weather hindi pa. So, mamaya na lang. Dito ko pala nilalagay yung aking yung Dyson ko. Yung Airwrap. Diyan ko nilagay. Kasi yung lalagyan niya ay malaki. So, ginamit natin yung kagabi. Ayan yung book natin. Tingnan. And, bet na bet ko tong brush na to. Napaka-handy. Pwede ko siyang ilagay sa maliit na bag. Alam niyo yun. And, maglalagay ulit ako nitong itong serum. So, gagawin ko siyang day and night. Maglagay lang tayo dito sa aking scalp. So, pinipress-press lang siya para lumabas yung product. Yung eto, ipipress mo lang siya and ipipress din siya pag kumukuha ng product. So, that lang. Especially dito sa may noo. Na noo. Dito ba? Hindi siya greasy ha. Tapos dito sa my middle. Tapos massage natin. Bango din siya. Parang may... Parang siyang mint na... Parang siyang toothpaste. Or baka yung naamoy ko yung aking toothpaste. Massage lang natin. Ano siya? Mabango. Parang siyang refreshing. Eh, nakapag-breakfast na pala yung mga bata. Si Holly lang pala. Gumawa siya ng Nutella. Ayan yung ebidensya. Nakalimutan niya maglagay ng butter. Kaya it's okay. Yeah. Gusto muna ako ng pinagkainan dito. Hi.
I finished my
Nag-drawing, nag-coloring siya.
in competition.
Mag-join daw siya sa competition.
Are you gonna come with me at 4 o'clock? And there's gonna be just at the bar a sausage sizzle, and then they're gonna pick the winner.
Alright.
Can you come with me?
Yeah. Inas niya, may paalam siya sa akin, ma'am, magko-coloring lang ako kasi may competition doon. Sabi ko, okay, go.
It's not washable.
I'm not done yet.
Oh, I love your drawing, Mama.
Yeah. May prepare na silang drawing.
Oh, it's not drawing, it's coloring in.
Coloring, okay. So, i-color lang nila.
I colored in a whale. Because aren't whales grey?
Yeah.
I colored it in grey.
Gray and white.
Grey and white.
Yeah, there's a bit
I
white.
did grey and blue.
Oh, okay. There's any kids there?
There's 2 up the wall, including mine's 3.
Only 3 of you? Tatlo lang daw sila.
Well, because Zach and Max didn't do it.
Oh, they don't want to do it?
Yeah, they're too lazy on their phones.
Oh, they're in the phones again.
And I got bored in there, so I wanted to join.
Alright. Good. Do me a favor, please put this.
And the prizes, it will be if
you win, what's the prize?
Well, there's lots of.
Alright, that's good.
Can you open the door for me, please, Mom?
Ay, makulimlim talaga. Sana huwag nang umulan. Mag-vacuum din ako para malinis ang pagdating ni Sir. Thank you, Baba.
Anything else?
Nothing, no more. That's it. Thank you. Hi guys, welcome to Chona and my friends daw.
Oh my! Don't put that in.
Huh?
That's just weird.
What? What you said?
Yes.
Hindi ko na kuna. Ganun-ganun pa siya. Magta-toasty na naman siya. Oh, lucky.
Oh, is it 2?
I hope so.
It's probably not. But...
Yeah, I think the end.
The end?
I know you're lucky. Yeah, you're lucky.
Oh,
Ang gagawa rin ng toasty na. Diba? Tapos lang nating maglinis dito. Dito na siya. Saka naman siya kakain.
We're gonna have salami this time.
Salami. Salami here.
No, we'll be right. There's no more. I ate it. Remember?
No, here.
No, I remember I ate it.
No, here.
Oh, is it not open? No. This we do.
Yeah, but this one need to be July 29. This one first.
Whatever.
Just-
I love it. Okay, Bonnie? Okay, Bonnie?
You have to heat it up now, Josh.
It is heating up.
Are you sure? Did you
Yes, it is in Pony.
Ah, look at this. Clothes again.
Oh, I put the butter facing up. Huh?
Do whatever. I'm facing. That's.
Yes, because Dad said it melts in and it makes it more.
That's why it's greasy.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, look at this. Si Jan, susutin niya pa to kasi kagabi niya lang daw to sinutog. Pero ito ilagay sa labahan.
We're going to beach today.
As always, huh? As always.
What?
Good luck to your sore.
It doesn't hurt.
Doesn't hurt?
Only when I knock it.
May ano, etong batang ito.
Ano ba ka sa buhay mo?
Bahala ka talaga sa buhay mo. No, no, no!
Oh, wow.
You just have to do this, Zachary.
Wow. So I can? So?
At ang paboritong jam furnace. Ah, no, Paul. No.
Got it, Mummy. Ew, there's mold.
What?
Mold.
Where? It's not mold.
Can
Hoy, put your clothes, please. I already
you get me cheese?
hold it for you, so it's for you to put away. What? Here, cheese.
Oh no. What do I do?
Is it done? Oh no. Look at you, see? You're making a mess.
I'm coming to the day.
Always. Not just today, but always.
Hey, what have you done?
Are you done?
What did you just do? I need one more. Two more.
That's fat. Like me? Grabe niya like me. Grabe siya sa akin. Talaga. Ay, may lobster pala ako. Kainin ko na kaya to. Yes, I will eat this. Hindi ko na siya initin para matapon na to. Ito na ang lunch ko. What time is it, Zach?
And click it.
Akin na.
Something stinks.
Let's look at fried fish. What time is it?
It is 10, 12,
Ah,
4:04.
ano?
12:04.
12:04 now.
Wait, 12:04?
So this is lunch.
12:04, right?
See, ang dami niya pang laman. Ayan. Okay, kainin ko muna ito, guys. And si Saka, kain din siya. Si Oli, okay na. Sana sana duman sila sa bakery para may tinapay sila dyan mamaya. Kung gusto nila magpagawa ng sandwich. Kahapon, yun nga, sabi sa inyo, love yung kapatid ko. Ang sarap ng kain nila mama. Crab. Dapat pala sinabayan ko sila. Pero masarap yung gulay. Parang nag-tempt ka akong gumawa ng gulay na papaya. Pero wag na. Kasi may papaya naman ako nakikita ditong hilaw. May hipon naman tayo, di ba? Pero mapaparami ang kain ko naman. Huwag na lang. So, I think it's ready.
No.
ganitong laman. See? You put too much butter.
So you think she thinks that's cooked?
It is.
I want it burnt. Well, not burnt, but like crispy.
Alright, sorry.
Don't be funny. Everyone makes mistakes.
Sabi ko, hindi na ako magsusuka. Magsusuka na lang ako, guys. Kasi may nakita akong malaking laman. Ayan. Sabi ko, ay, deserve dito ang sausawan. Yun nga lang, wala tayong sili. So, pinukpok ko na tong garlic na to, dalawa. Siguro, lagyan ko siya yung chili oil. Chili oil. Okay lang ba? Pwede mo nang wala kasi para ma-feel ko yung garlic. Malasahan ba? Kumakain ako nito. Bihira lang talaga. Ito, pangalawang simula nung season ng lobster. Ito yata yung pangalawa kong kain. Kasi nagmukbang ako isang beses. Tapos ito na yung next. Tapos yung Christmas. So, pero last year yun. Isa lang nung handaan. Sarap. Ba? Ano nyo Hindi ko lalagyan ng chili oil kasi may lasa kasi siyang iba. Zach, check your toes.
It won't be ready yet.
Okay.
Like,
Hindi na si Oli.
and she was like, why don't
It's not yet, Zach.
she always get one? And then Max was like, because she doesn't finish it. And she was like, you don't want me to put some in here? And I was like, yes, please.
Binigyan siya, binigyan raw siya ng slushy doon sa, yung
Scrape.
Gotcha.
yung food truck. Kasi bumili raw si Max.
Can I try?
Siya wala.
Can I try?
No, that's not, that's just a little bit, that's that.
It's just a little.
Yeah, just a little. Just for a little girl like you.
Tapos, si Max
Why
meron
is
siya
it not
wala.
cooking?
So, binigyan na lang siya. Because I think it's not plugged. Properly. Oh, careful with my camera. See?
Oh,
No.
it's not plugged.
Hindi siya naka-plug. Kaya pala walang ilaw. Now,
So it wasn't plugged in.
now, that's why I said there's no light. Yun na, nagsisisling na. Ngayon, naririnig nyo at nakikita nyo rin yung usok. Kanina, hindi pala siya naluluto. Kasi hindi niya masyadong na-push yung saksakan. Parang masarap ng toasty ni Sak. Smells good, Saki. Oh, see?
Oh, you see the cheese? A little bit more.
Oh, look at the cheese.
Oh,
Oh, no! My camera's there, my...
oh look.
Ah!
Oh, balaka, haya. Funny. Ah!
What?
Oh!
You touched the cheese or this one?
Cheese.
Of course it's hot.
You thought I didn't touch it.
Yeah, unreal.
It's not even hot.
Niloloko niya na naman ako. Ito, pwede itong maging actor. You can be an actor, so.
Go back?
Yeah.
Huh?
Yeah.
No, I was joking. Okay?
Hmm.
You joking?
Can I have half?
Really? Do you want? Do you? No. Oh, bit for me. Oh, actually, kind of.
You're gonna show it to me?
Yeah.
Hmm?
Yeah.
It looks good.
That'll do.
Oh, careful with my camera, Naka. Get your plate. How you gonna get it?
Just wait a bit.
Oh. Get the... Where's your knife here?
But best one did cheese pull.
Huh?
Cheese pull. What if I put metal on that?
Huh? You want to get it? Get your plate.
Right there.
Okay, come on, get your plate.
It's too hot.
Here, come on, hurry up. Put it here.
Well done, Pony. Aren't you good, Pa?
Just don't eat it yet, because it's gonna burn your tongue. See? Kulete.
And that cheese.
Tapos na ako. I'm done.
You're not having any of this?
No.
Oh, no, it's just joking.
When you finish, can you please put this in the bin? I can ask Holly because Holly's been. Ay!
No.
Then-
Can't be stuck in the cheese pool.
There's so many times to throw all my scraps here.
Look, that's cheese pool.
You must have hurting yourself, don't you?
Here, Pa.
What?
Here.
What's that?
She gets it.
I'm already.
Yeah. It's very hot.
Thank you.
Look at that.
Knife? Okay, linisan ko na to. Thank you. Rinig ko na sila. Hi, Yan! Yan ako, yan. Nag-edit ako. Hindi pa tayo nakakapag...
Hi, Rob. Hi, Bonnie.
Hi, Yan. How's golfing?
Good.
Dito na sila.
Ew.
What ew?
Sorry.
Ayan tayo. Hindi pa nakapag-walking. Ayan, may nasimulan na akong pag-i-edit. Pero hindi pa siya hindi pa siya matatapos. Is it gonna rain, yeah? What do you think?
Probably.
Maybe,
but not.
Not much?
I don't know.
What are you eating now?
Pasta.
Yeah, what flavor?
Pasta. Bolognese.
Bolognese, okay. Stink.
This? That'll be a big scar, won't it?
Yeah.
Well done to me then.
Inaasal niya naman ako.
Whose hand's bigger? Mine.
No, you
Mine or yours?
stink.
No, this one's my clean hand.
No, your hand. I can.
Just-
It's disgusting. Smells like that.
Wait, no way. Mine's bigger. Look.
Malansang amoy. Yeah, sak. We're going to the beach.
Opo.
Ready na yung aking bag din. Kuya, it's done. Zachary, magsi-swimming sila, pero hindi daw doon sa lagi nilang pinupuntahan. Where are you going? Where's the...
Nowhere. We're going to the beach.
Malal...
Love you,
Thank
Mum.
you.
See ya.
What beach?
I don't even know.
We might not go there. We're just saying if it's better.
Alright, okay.
Bye, Mum. Love you.
So, hindi ko sila
We might
makikita.
give you a call.
Alright. Okay, bye.
Bye, Mom. Love you.
Bye. Alis na ako. Mag-walking na tayo. 2:15 na. 2:14. Sabi niya dyan, uulan. Bahala na. Huwag ko na kayong dalhin. Ito yung binili natin. Yung dinner tonight is steak with creamy garlic prawns. Yung prawns dito, yung hindi pa luto, yun ang gagawin natin na creamy garlic prawns. May nilagay akong 6 sa freezer kasi malalaki sila. Ito yung nabili natin. And dun sa kabilang shop, bumili ako ng chicken cream kasi nga para sa creamy garlic prawns natin. So babalatan ko ito. Ang lalaki nito. Then hiwain ko lang siya ng maliliit. Tumalsik yung ano niya, blood. Ayan yung itim. Sa aking containers. Parang madilim. Pero tayo. Ayan. Ito gawin ko itong chopping board. Double purpose tong lid ng ating glass container na yan. Taba. May ilaw din ba dito? Tingnan ko nga. Ano ito? Hindi. Ano yan? Ay! Yes! First time natin gamitin yung ilaw dito sa sink. Pinindot-pindot ko lang siya. Grabe, ang taba niya. Ano kayang kinain nito? Hi! Kuya Sax is in the farm truck. Sarap nitong isigang. So, wala tayong sinigang mix. Tingnan yung taba. O, tingnan nyo. Oh. Ay. Ito na siya. Luto na yung ating creamy garlic prawns. Put it there. Para siya yung nagluto. Magkabuntuhin na ka dyan. Wait, it's hot, ha? It's hot. Si Kuya tulog. Alam niya, tulog. Si Kuya tulog. Maliligo na raw. Si Jan nakaligo na. Ang sarap daw ng massage niya.
Are you gonna pour all of it?
Magaling daw yung nag-massage sa kanya. Chinese.
She's been doing it for 10 years.
For 10 years. So, ito yung ini-next natin.
I'd rather you cook it.
Mamaya to sa microwave. Iwain natin itong saging.
Small or big?
Big one, no, please.
Where's all the small ones?
I don't know. Maybe in the shed.
Oh yeah, they probably are. Do you keep the skin?
Put it there, please. Thank you.
I want to watch you cook so I can bake it.
Okay. This is not baking. Hugasan ko pa pala
What's that
yun.
for?
The banana
fritters.
thing.
You got another one?
That's that. That's
Oh, I
that.
got one.
Have a look at that suit. You make it look cool.
Look at your
Mom, shut the fridge.
fashion.
Mom, shut the fridge.
What happened to your fashion, son?
Yeah,
Come
there's
here.
that. Oh, no, I don't know.
Come here. How much is it?
About 50 bucks.
50 bucks?
Was it?
Yeah.
I don't think so.
It was 100 and no, 110. No, no.
110. Let me see. Come here, Zach. When did you get it?
Oh, when he got his flippers.
Oh, my
I
bago
don't
siya.
like the hood though.
Kaya
Oh, I
may
don't.
sabi ko,
That's
parang may
cool.
flippers na siya. Let me see, Zach. Oh my God, you look like a
You put a
farmer.
nice set
no?
of pants, shoes, mate. You're going to look the coolest.
No,
Put
you
your jumper up there.
110. Hindi ako bibigyan ng
Look at it. It's nice
110.
and snuggly.
Oh, it's sticking to my thing.
That's alright.
Did Kuya get some?
No.
Let me see. Volco.
one.
Is it Volco?
Same as mine. And they had one like I got, and they had a white one there, but no my size.
Why? Are you planning to get another one? No.
That's a nice one. It's a nice one.
You
But,
like it?
Of course, no my size. That looks good on
You,
you.
you like it, Sam? Look at yourself here.
I've seen it.
Let me see. Come here.
You
Come here.
it.
I want to feel it.
So hard.
No, don't do that because you're going to wreck the buttons. Come here. Here. Back. At the back. My hoodie siya. You said you don't like daddy's
I said I didn't.
what did you say? It's alright? How about Kuya?
He didn't come in
He didn't go inside.
because he's getting.
So may flippers isa. Kaya pala sabi ko na nga eh. Sabi ko parang may flippers isa.
Wait,
We're
guys.
going to cook steaks, mate.
Okay, I'm done.
We got chips.
Later, after you cook the...
Yeah, we'll eat it over there, babe.
Where?
Where we had it the other time.
Okay.
And you got the veggies ready in that?
Yeah, it's in the microwave. Ay, magluluto pa nga ako nito. Doon ko, may saksakan kaya doon. Doon ko na lang kaya lutuin.
Well, we're going to cook this stuff now.
Okay. So, mamaya ko na siguro itong lutuin. Kasi mabilis lang naman yung kanila doon. Ibili na lang yun siya ng chips. Sabi ko wag na ang dalawain kasi last time dalawang box. Ang dami. Yung isang box hindi nakain. $10 din yun. Sayang. Meron pa tayong banana dyan. Green na green pa siya. Nauna ko to. Yung may mga ano na ba? Yung may tama. Ito. Katulad nito. Inubos ko yung ating bananas. Ayan. Magsawa sila. Inubos ko talaga. Wala nang saging na hinog dito. So, tansyahin ko na lang din to. Alam niyo ba yung cover ng salt? Hindi ko na makita. Saan na kaya yun? Si Kuya tulog pa din.
Learn, Mum. Learn how to be a good mother. Okay?
I said,
Your thing. What's that one?
nakaligo na to.
What are you making? What are you making? What are you? What are you making?
The banana.
What are you making? What are you making, Mum? Oh, what are you making?
The banana fritters.
Banana what? Fritters.
Yeah.
Oh, the banana fritters, huh, Bonnie?
Mm.
Huh, the banana fritters, huh?
Okay, come on. You have...
Oh.
It's your fault, not mine.
Where's plates? How many plates? 5. Are you eating? No.
No, just 4. And then this one, you have to bring this. Kuya's still
1, 2,
asleep.
3, 4. Asleep?
Hmm.
Here, wake up, TJ.
Okay, bring that one, Baba. No, it's alright.
No,
I'm doing this.
No, you bring this
me
one.
too.
Sack,
Well,
bring-
I already
no,
was doing it
Sack,
for
Sack.
you,
This
was
one,
it not?
Sack, because this is
I
hot.
can do that.
No, you do it.
I can do both, Mum.
Alright.
Mum.
Yes, she does. She can eat if she wants. Can you hurry up?
I'm doing it.
Hurry.
Yeah, go, Holly. No, go, Holly. No, go.
Holly!
It's
She
been
can-
my last chance.
Oh, yeah. No, Holly, grab it! have to.
It's your fault. She's been coming back.
It ain't even hot.
Be careful because that's the. You have to get fork and spoon. Fork and knife.
Hurry up.
Zachary, stop it now, okay?
I'm doing it. I'm doing it. No, Joe, hurry up.
Can
do it.
you not
What do
joke?
I need to do?
So you're eating, Mum? Mum, you're eating? Mum, you're
Yeah,
eating?
just a small plate, please. Boy, be careful there. The oil is hot.
Get these knives, Holly.
Here's that. Bring this. Bring this one. This is hot sauce.
Oh.
Give me one. It's hot sauce. Give me one plate. Hey, Zachary, come on.
1, 2.
Make sure you don't fall, Zachary.
Make sure I don't.
Uh,
Why like
I
that?
don't
Where's
know.
the lid? Is there a lid?
Yeah. On top.
I've got the plate, Mum.
And then I put that. And then
Yes.
I grab that. Oh, crap.
That's hot. That's hot, okay? Okay. I'm just gonna try to cook some. So, yan na yung consistency ng ating mixture.
1.
Why, be careful. There's oil there, ha? Tell Kuya the oil is hot. Alright. Prituhin ko to doon sa labas. CJ. Not there yet. Yeah. Tulog pa tong batang to.
You won't go to sleep tonight, Jan.
Kaya nga. Kain na sila dun.
Come on. He's got one coming up.
Oh, Kuya. Kuya, dinner time. Ito na yung madadala ko doon. Ayan, nilagyan ko na siya ng asukal. It's not done yet. Well, I already starting it when you... Yeah. Alright, good? Good? Tapos na kumain. And si Jan rinins niya na, nilinis niya na. Sasabunin ko na lang yan. Aray ko, sak! Come on.
Baloney. Are you bunny baloney? Are you gonna make more, Mum?
Yeah, you want more? Okay, I'm just gonna wash this first. Sinugasan ko na to. And pinapainit ko at the same time yung ating ang tawag doon? Pan? Electric pan natin. Electric pan. Not electric pan. Pinapainit ko na siya para pag natapos to. Salang ulit tayo ng banana kasi si Kuya bumalik na siya. Ayudan mo. Si Kuya na talaga. Luto ulit tayo. So, ito na yung second batch. May customer na tayo. It's hot, Holly, hot. You cannot bring it too, Baba. It's hot. It's hot.
I'm saying if anyone wants my other one.
Alright. Don't drop it.
Bye. Love you.
Bye.
Some funny. Is that fine?
It's hot. It's hot. Mauubos na. Binabalik-balikan ni Holly. Binibigay sa kanila. Oh. Ayan na.
No. Okay.
What? That's not okay.
Okay. I'll come back.
Huh. Kinukuha ko yung mga putol. After nito, maliligo na ako. May bagong dumating na caravan. Doon sa kabila. Tinutulungan ni Jan. Yan, nakapag-hot bath na ako. Maglalagay ulit tayo ng ating serum sa ating scalp. Massage ko muna siya. And bukas, babasin ko yung buhok ko. Gagamitin ko na itong scrub.
What's that for?
For your hair, for your scalp. And ito, sa scalp din siya. Yan yung ating gagawin bukas.
What does it do for your scalp?
To
Clean it out?
clean it out and then to have a strong hair. Hopefully.
What's strong hair?
Huh? So it's not gonna fall. Hair
Mine
loss.
falls out.
Yours is thin.
It
Okay,
falls out.
malagay na tayo nito.
So, where's your scalp?
So sa hairline ko lang siya ilalagay dito. So tap.
So you just gotta do it where it is.
So yun na yung vlog natin guys for today.
Yeah.
Meron pang natirang banana. Buti na lang hindi ko talaga inubos.
We can have that tomorrow.
Yeah. So thank you guys. Please
Like
like,
and
please
please
subscribe if you haven't yet.
See you on the next vlog.
Aray.
So, good
Good
night.
night, guys.
Because I think I do want you next to me.